guys, good morning and welcome back again to another series of informative vlog here in our channel, We Are Vissering. My name is Ruth and I'm a Filipina who are currently based here in the Netherlands. So, the title of this vlog is What is Netherlands famous for? But before I tell you about what are the famous here in the Netherlands, please let me tell you first a brief description about where is Netherlands. So basically, Netherlands is located in the northwestern of Europe, and Netherlands capital is Amsterdam. Yes, guys, Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands. So without further ado, guys, please let me tell you the first number one famous thing about Netherlands. So Netherlands is famous for tulips. Yes, guys, tulips bulb or tulips plant is famous here in the Netherlands. Basically, they have the Keukenhof where you can see millions of bulbs or different types of tulips plant. And the second thing that is Netherlands is famous for is the windmills. Yes, windmills is all over Netherlands. Some of the windmills are basically or built during 1903 and so on. So, and number three, guys, is the cheese market. So Netherlands is one of the most country who produce cheese. There is a different variety of cheese that Netherlands is making, and they are also importing it to different countries. And the number four that Netherlands is famous for is the wooden shoe. Yes, wooden shoe, guys. So wooden shoe is like clogs. It's basically like the shoes that the old generation of Netherlands people are using during the times. And guys, by the way, I am here in the forest once again, and today, if you can see my background, it's snowing. At the moment, currently when I'm filming this video, it is snowing here in the Netherlands. Netherlands has a very unusual or weirdest weather you can ever have. You can basically experience 3 seasons in one day. And Canals of Amsterdam. So guys, if you haven't been here in the Netherlands, Amsterdam is the city capital of Netherlands, and there you can find hundreds or more canals in the city. It is one of the most picturesque location or area of the Netherlands, and that is the city canals of Amsterdam. And the number 6 famous thing about Netherlands is the bikes. Here in the Netherlands, number one modes of transportation of the people who lives here in the Netherlands is bikes. And somehow it's a bit funny that in one family there is more bike than the number of people who lives in the household. And you can see a lot of bikes all over the places. They have a special bike lanes. In the train station you can see hundreds of bikes. And what else? Yes, a lot of bikes. Tallest person in the world. Yes, guys, my husband is tall, and his brother is taller than him. My husband is about 6'2", 6'4", but his brother is taller than him. And even though I'm already an Asian and my height is 5'5", and for me being a 5'5" and Asian is already tall. But for the Netherlands, it's the normal or even the lowest shortest measure of a Netherlands people. And the next part of this things that's famous of Netherlands is art. I am not really into art, guys, but I would like to tell you a brief description that Netherlands is famous of art, and one of their famous artists is Van Gogh. So guys, Van Gogh, and this is Van Gogh. Van Gogh is, there is a museum located in the city capital of Netherlands, which is Amsterdam, the Van Gogh Museum. I haven't been there, guys, but hopefully when things are back to normal, I would be able to show you around the museums and other tourist destination here in the Netherlands. And of course, when it comes to the beverages, if you are drinking Heineken, guys, Heineken is produced and manufactured here in the Netherlands. That is one of their pride. And also there is also like a factory located in Amsterdam, the Heineken, where you can also go for a tour. And it's one of the most visited also like a tourist destination here in the Netherlands, and it is located in Amsterdam. And the last thing that I will tell you, or not the last thing, but one more thing that is famous about Netherlands is weed. Yes, guys, you heard me right, weed, or the marijuana. So Netherlands is they tolerate using or the usage of weed here in the Netherlands, and even you can plant as much as 5 plants in your household. And if ever you are caught with weed in that in like you are carrying a weed, or you have something, you are not sent to prison as long as you have a maximum of 5 grams of weed in your property, or whenever the police police catch you. And what else, guys? So Netherlands is also famous for being a straightforward people. They can be really straightforward. If they don't like you, they don't like you. If you like you, they like you. And what else? Also, Netherlands famous for wordiest, I think, weather. Last week, guys, I was actually enjoying the warm weather up to 25-27 degrees, but currently at the moment I am enjoying the beautiful heaven. This is it, guys. It is snowing here in the Netherlands, and it is only, if I'm not mistaken, let me see what is the temperature. It is only 1 degrees here in the area where I am currently standing, or in the village where I am right now. And so, guys, I think that is the first part of the what is Netherlands famous for, and I hope you like this video. And if you would like me to do any topic or anything about Netherlands and so on, please do comment down below. Like this video if you like it, share it to your friends and family, and of course, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are Vissering, and we hope to see you guys. I hope to see you guys again in my next informative vlog series in our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this, and be safe wherever you are, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again. Bye.